Studies and Director, HRDC, Dr. S.B. Patil, Principal, Vidya Vikas Mandal's Arts and Commerce College, Akkalpua, and all the dignitaries, academicians, educationalists, and professors from all over India to attend this online faculty development program. I heartily once again welcome all the dignitaries. I request Honorable Sanjeev Sonawne to preside over today's inauguration ceremony. I request Honorable Sanjeev Sonawne, Director, HRDC, Pune, to preside over today's inauguration ceremony. Honorable Dr. Sanjeev Sonawne, Director, HRDC, Pune, has accepted our request, and now he is the president of this today's inauguration program. Thank you, sir. I request to Honorable Suresh Tamrao Patil to light the candle and inaugurate the opening ceremony. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. In the flash of love's light, we dare the brave, and suddenly we see that love costs all we all need here. Yet it is only love we set us free. हेलो जी मैडम एक काम करो ना जो वहाँ पे आईडी जो दी हुई है ना आईडी और पासवर्ड डाला तो ऑटोमेटिकली आ रहा है जी हेलो हेलो डॉक्टर ऋषि सर डॉक्टर ऋषि सर हेलो डॉक्टर ऋषि सर
हेलो हाँ सर
हाँ ऋषि सर
यस यस यस
please please share the link to VC of Kutch Gujarat because his link is not opening.
ओके सर जस्ट वेट आई एम सेंडिंग
Hello.
यस 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 सर आई एम सेंडिंग राइट नाउ
Please.
ओके सर
Due to some technical problem, the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Jairaj Singh Ji Jadeja, Vice Chancellor KSKV University, Kutch, Gujarat, he is unable to join us. He is trying. Before that, it is online program. So I have made an experiment, and that I would like to felicitate the guest in online mode with request to all, please wait for a few minutes because our chief guest, it is in the queue. He will join us. Dear participant, it's a request to all of you. Uh, the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Jairaj Singh Ji Jadeja, has some technical problem to join us. So before that, I have made a video of Nandurbar district. So please watch it and enjoy it. It is our very small college, and NAC team was arrived in 2018, and we welcome them by showing the culture of Akalpur Taluka. Here, our students are planting the tree. Our principal, Dr. Rajvi Patil sir, is there. Nandurbar is the specially, it is a tribal district, and Hodu festival is the one of the sacred festival known in the tribal community. This is a please give the sound to the video. This is a please give the sound to the video. Songare is one of the ballad, just like a ballad. It is much popular in tribal community. The tribal people call them in every village, and it is just like a tamasha. Toranmal is one of the tourist place in Nandurbar district. It is a hill station, and it is one of the best and beautiful place in Nandurbar district. It is just 80 kilometers away from our place. Many people came here to see and enjoy this tourist place. This is one of the very old lake in Toranmar district, Toranmar. हेलो, हाँ सर, मैडम हुई क्या सर ज्वाइन? हाँ, यस यस यस, मैं वही वही से रही है, मैं अभी करता हूँ, एक मिनट। इसी सर, सर वेटिंग मध्ये त्यांना घ्या. नाही, दुसरे जे असतील त्यांना सर्वांना अलाउ करून द्या ना. हाँ, ऍडमिट ऑल करा. करा ऑल करा, ऍडमिट ऑल करा जाऊ. किती झाला ऍडमिट ऑल केल्यानंतर? 81 ना, ठीक आहे, करा ऍड करा सर. मी ते मॅडमला विचारतो काय नाव, मी विचारतो त्या मॅडमला काय नावाने आहे. मी मॅडमला विचारतो. मैडम सर क्या नाम से ज्वाइन हुए, आए ना सर शायद? नहीं मैडम, वाइस चांसलर नहीं लिखा है, इसके लिए पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ, नहीं नहीं, चालू हो गया. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. Dr. Jairaj Sinhaji Jadeja is also with us. He has joined with us. This is online faculty development program. So uh, I have made an experiment, and that I would like to felicitate the guest in online mode. So I request Dr. Isi sir, please show the slide of felicitation. It's a request to Principal Dr. S.B. Patil sir to felicitate the inaugural of the opening ceremony, Honorable Abasaheb Suresh Ramrao Patil. I request to Dr. Isi sir, please show the slide of felicitation. Request to Dr. Isi sir, please show the slide of felicitation. Yes, yes, sir. Our principal, Dr. Izul Patil, felicitated our chairman, secretary for Vidya Vikas Mandal's Arts and Commerce College at Tirupura. Chief guest, Honorable Professor Dr. Jairaj Singh Jadeja, KSKV, Kutch University, Gujarat. I will request Dr. Izul Patil to felicitate him. This is the next slide. It's just an experiment I have made here. Now, I request Dr. J.B. Bagul, please felicitate the Vice Chancellor, Dr. E.Y. Nandan, YCMOU University, Nashik, and in charge Vice Chancellor, Kavitri Bainabai Chaudhary of University, Jalgaon. Honorable Professor Dr. Sanjeev Ji Sonawne, Dean and Director, HRDC SP Pune University, Pune. I request Dr. Izul Patil to felicitate him. Principal Dr. Izul Patil. Dr. J.B. Bagul will welcome the principal, Dr. Izul Patil. Now I request our Reverend Principal, Dr. Izul Patil, for welcome speech. Dr. Izul Patil.
Welcome. Hello, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Welcome all of dignitaries coming from opening ceremony in online. PUC HRDC, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, and Vidya Vikas Mandal's Arts and Commerce College of Tirupura, District Nandurbar, jointly organized 7 days faculty development program on new training research methodology. In this opening ceremony, inaugural Honorable Abba Sahib Suresh Ramrao Patil, Secretary Vidya Vikas Mandal Sakri, and in this ceremony, coming chief guest, Honorable Dr. Jasraj Singh Jadeja, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Bhuj University, Gujarat, and our university Vice Chancellor, Honorable Dr. E.Y. Nandan sir, and next honorable dignitaries, chief guest on this opening ceremony, Honorable Dr. Sanjeev Ji Sonawne, Dean, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, and my dear coordinator, Dr. J.B. Bagul, and all involved participants in this opening ceremony program. Welcome all of you. Sir, it's grand honor to me to say a word about the FDP. I would like to express my sincere gratitude award towards Abba Sahib Suresh Ramrao Patil, Secretary, Vidya Vikas Mandal Sakri. In this FDP, we invited our honorable guests who give us part to brighten their career, inspired personality for the professors and rule on their heart with his kind nature. Multifunctional personality, Professor Dr. Jasraj Singh Jadeja, Vice Chancellor, Bhuj University, Gujarat, and Dr. E.Y. Nandan sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, YCMOU Nashik, and KDCNME Jalgaon. His grace is always with us, Professor Sanjeevji Sonone, Dean and Director, HRDC, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, and dear participants. Today, I overwhelmed with joy because we and our college situated in the foot of Satpura mountain, and the population of this Akkalkuwa Taluka is 100% tribal. Yet, we are trying our best and try to organize national, international seminars and conference and seminars. I would like to mention the first online national conference was held by us under the my managing committee and direct coordinator, Dr. J.B. Bagul. Now, his FDP is organized by the sole author of Dr. J.B. Bagul. He has taken tremendous effort to make its event successfully. The FDP program given by HRDC Pune and near about 156 faculties have registered through Google Forms. And from them, just 100 participants are selected from all disciplines along them from different states like Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. The 7 days program will give you too much knowledge because the resource persons are master in their field, required to all don't try to miss vision. If anybody is found that this or her admission must be cancelled without waiting my time, and wish you all the best for the wonderful program. Thank you. Thank you once again. And best luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir is always motivated to all the professors and teacher and non-teaching. We always said about him, there is nothing no in his dictionary. So he is very loving person and he is very social person. Thank you, sir. We honored by our presence of the occasion, Honorable Professor Dr. Jairaj Singh Ji Jadeja, Vice Chancellor, KVK University, Kutch, Gujarat. He is profoundly loved and respected by his reader, especially youth, on whom he has got great influence due to his character and work. He is a source of energy and inspiration for all youth. A very heart welcome to you, sir. Kindly enlighten us by your words, Professor Dr. Jadeja ji. I request Professor Dr. Jadeja ji, please enlighten this FDP program.
આપણે બોલતા હતા બધું એટલે એ અનપોતા અનમ્યુટ થઈ ગયો એમ ક્યાં છે ઓકે am I audible? I have
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Very good morning to everybody, and I am very happy to learn that this is the 7-day online virtual faculty development program. This is a very good initiative. Somebody should unmute themselves. There are some voices are coming.
Principal Patil sir, please mute your speaker.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, UGC, HRDC, Pune, and VVM's Arts and Commerce College, Akkalkuwa, Nandurbar, they jointly organized this 7-day online FDP program on new trends in research methodology. And I'm very happy to know that almost 156 faculties are registered from Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra. This is a very welcome step by the college. I must congratulate the Honorable Abba Sahib Patil, VVM Sakri, Professor Vayu Nandan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sanjeev Sonawanaji, participants and fellow colleagues and speakers. So, what is a faculty development program? So, given the time, I would like to brief you very in a short manner. The FTP is designed to bring researchers, academia, technocrats from different parts of the country to a common gathering, and this is a virtual gathering, for exchanging and sharing the recent developments in the different fields. So the participants are going to gain extensive details of the subject knowledge. Case studies and practical examples will enrich their concept in respective fields to conduct, and it will help you to conduct research activities in their respective institutions. So, if I would like to straight away go to the objectives of this FTP, if FTP aims at equipping teachers with skills and knowledge that are essentials for inculcating values in students and guiding and monitoring their progress towards their career. This will help you to grow into what is the academic development. The outcome of such a faculty development program is you will get a trained teacher, you will get the developed faculty, you will get four types of benefits. One is the personal benefit. The interpersonal skills will be developed. Career development will take place of a respective teachers. You will help, this will help you to develop a team building. If I have to speak about the team building, I will say that together each achieves more. Even though we are meeting virtually, but you will be joining with each other for 7 days virtually. It will help you to sharpen the skills of the change management, communication, conflicts resolution, and leadership skills. This is at a personal level. Second is at a professional level. Such faculty development program will help you improve the professional skills. Like this will help you to get the respect, integrity, honesty, ethics, and so on and so forth. Professionalism, when I talk about the professionalism, it talks about the three things. One, it looks into your behavior because you become a disciplined person. It improves your knowledge level and it improves your skill set. The third level is of what I call it is the instructional. When we talk about the instructional, this will help you designing the curriculum and its development through the instructional technology. And now when we talk about the instructional technology, it talks about the artificial intelligence, it talks about the R, it talks about Internet of Things, and so on and so forth. And fourth is your organizational skill. That is, it will be, you call it is you have the improved environment to support the better teaching and leading. The outcome of such a program is improvement in the quality of teaching and learning. It widens the horizons of the knowledge. It becomes the competent professionals as a teacher, and more importantly, as a person. It helps into the sensitization of the things and training of the teachers, and it inculcates disciplines and focus, and it will help you gain a very deep learning. And when we talk about teacher, you will become a better teacher, and people, they consider teacher as a guru, and it is said that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. And one of the best author in the field of the lateral thinking or divergent thinking is Grag, G-R-A-G-G, Grag. He said that nothing can be taught, everything is to be learned. So I hope that a lot of case study in terms of the research methodology things will be given to you, and you have to sort it out, and that will make you learn. Because it is said that if you give a person a fish, he will feed himself only once. But if you make a person how to fish, he will fish it for the life, and he will have the lifelong earning out of this. And Einstein, he said once that I never try to teach my students anything. I only try to create an environment where they can learn. Given the time frame of the 5 minutes, once again, I thank the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words. We know that you are an ideal personality for students as well as academicians. You always motivated students to increase their willpower to do what they want to be a successful personality. When I talked yesterday with Dr. Jadeja ji, I found that a man becomes a great man, not by birth, but by his thoughts and his work. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us and giving your motivational word for this FDP program. I'm profusely overjoyed to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Honorable Dr.
Can I intervene for only 1 minute?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Given the permission, may I leave the meeting, because I have a lot of other things lined up, and
yes, sir.
I'm not well also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And if my services are required in these seven days, I may speak something on research methodology as well. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Take care, sir. I'm proposing overjoyed to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Honorable Dr. U.I. Nandan. He is the Vice Chancellor of Yeshwantrao Chauhan Open University, Nashik, one of the #1 growing educational organization of the current era. You have given your best by sharing your expertise and the knowledge in every way possible to help our children get an education. Besides, he is also known for his work in different fields such as health, education, and child labor. Dr. U.I. Nandan sir has said his best wishes with us. Today he is busy in meeting about we have Dr. Another chief guest, Professor Sanjeev Sonawne, Dean Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, Director School of Education, SP University, Pune, Director School of Open Learning, SP University, Pune,
Thank you, Bagul sir. Professor Jadeja, who was with us just now, connected for this our inaugural of the FDP program. Your Honorable Chairman Patil sir, Principal S.B. Patil sir, and Bagul sir, who is shouldering the responsibility of this program. So I'm very happy that Akkal Kuwa is participating and organizing such a type of program for the nation building, because if we are upgrading our teachers, automatically the students and teaching learning process become very enriched. And for that purpose, the Akkal Kuwa College is taking efforts with the support of HRDC, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. So I am congratulating and also appreciating the efforts taken by the Patil sir and Bagul sir and their team for organizing such a FDP program. So friends, it is very interesting to know that all the higher education sector is going to restructuring now due to the new education policy 2020. And in this light, the research, creation of knowledge, we can see the objectives of higher education. The first objective is the creation of knowledge. Second is storage of knowledge, dissemination of knowledge, and last one is the creating wealth through this knowledge. So first, unless we create, because knowledge cannot be created at the primary education or secondary level, it is only capability development. But here we have to create the knowledge, prepare the teacher for that professional development. And friends, for this purpose, this faculty development program, which will be aware you for the new and advanced research methodologies here, where really you will get the qualitative research, quantitative research, data analysis and all these things, right? That the Bagul sir and Patil sir had designed this program. Hope that this program will be really, really helpful to you to change yourself as a researcher. Wishing best for your program. Thank you. Thank you, Bagul sir, Patil sir, and wishing best for this program. So thank you once again. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Education is the passport to the future for tomorrow, belong to those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. And from the inspiration of Dr. Sanjeevji Sonone, we can change important for giving your time and making your presence. Now I request Dr. Mahesh Gangude for a vote of thanks. Dr. Mahesh Gangude, I request Dr. Mahesh Gangude sir for a vote of thanks.
Hello. धन्यवाद सर. UGC, HRDC, पुणे एवं कला वाणिज्य महाविद्यालय अक्कलकुआ द्वारा संयुक्त तत्वाधान में आयोजित 7 दिवसीय संकाय संवर्धन कार्यक्रम फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम के इस उद्घाटन सत्र के अध्यक्ष के रूप में हमारे संस्था के सचिव माननीय अब्बा साहब सुरेश जी रामराव पाटिल, जिन्हें हमें कार्यक्रम लेने की प्रेरणा दी, मैं महाविद्यालय की ओर से आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। इस उद्घाटन सत्र में प्रमुख अतिथि के रूप में सम्माननीय डॉक्टर जयराज सिंह जी जडेजा जी, कुलगुरु भूज विश्वविद्यालय से हमें मार्गदर्शन दिया और उत्कृष्ट काम करने की प्रेरणा दी। मैं महाविद्यालय की ओर से आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। तथा कवयित्री बहनाबाई चौधरी विश्वविद्यालय के कुलगुरु सम्माननीय डॉक्टर ई वायुनंदन जी ने हमें शुभ संदेश दिया, मैं महाविद्यालय की ओर से आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। प्रमुख अतिथि के रूप में डॉक्टर संजू सोनेने जी, अधिष्ठाता सावित्रीबाई फुले विश्वविद्यालय पुणे से हमें मार्गदर्शन किया, शुभ संदेश दिया। मैं महाविद्यालय की ओर से आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। महाविद्यालय के सम्मानीय प्राचार्य डॉक्टर एस डी पाटिल सर तथा इस कार्यक्रम के कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर जे बी बागुल सर, अक्कलकुआ महाविद्यालय, आपका भी मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं तथा विभिन्न विश्वविद्यालय से जुड़े हुए सभी अध्यापकों का मैं महाविद्यालय की ओर से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। धन्यवाद सर।
Request to all participants, the inaugural program is over and you all have to rejoin this program after 3 p.m. today. Our session will start from 3 p.m. So we will meet after 3 p.m. today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you very much.